All right, in this quick video here, we're going to learn how to calculate the median. The median in Excel can be found by using the median function. So the median can be found by going equals, typing in median, selecting the range of numbers. So starting at A1, left click, hold, drag it down to the right over here to J4, and then release. Close the parenthesis, hit enter. That's how you calculate the median. Once again, if you have trouble highlighting the data, you can simply tell Excel where to start. So we know we're going to start in cell A1 and finish in cell J4. So we're going to type in A1 colon J4. Close the parenthesis, hit enter, and you get the median.